Hi everyone, welcome to Wisdom Viewer. This is the antenna along with the 4G SIM card based router. Now I am going to show you how to fix this. Open this antenna like this. On the other side as well. To open you can use the screwdriver. This is the router. This is the antenna. This router gets the signal from this antenna, and here you just need to insert the SIM card, any SIM card it works with, and connect this cable. Make sure there should be a knot. When you pull from the downside, there should be no pressure on this. Now insert this antenna assembly inside. Make sure there should be no any damage to this antenna. On the other end, this is the other end of the cable. This is the POA injector. You connect the cable to here, and this is the LAN cable, which if you want more connection, you want to connect to the router and more connection, you can connect this to the any router or repeater. Also you can connect to the laptop to use as a LAN from this router. Now you have to provide the power to the router which is inside. You just connect here and connect this adapter to the power socket and make it on. Now you will see the lights here. See the lights, it's getting on. When it's completely gets on, you will have a Wi-Fi in your mobile. You can search, also you can see in your laptop. Also you can use as a LAN, and also for the repeater or a range extender, as anything you can use with this LAN port. Okay, now you can put this antenna outside. This is the brackets and things, even the screws you will get along with this box. Here you will fix this clamp to this antenna with the screws. You can take a 1 inch or 1.5 inch pole pipe, GA or any pipe. Okay, you can fix the pole like this. Okay, fix the antenna like this. You can put this antenna outside to get more signals. Now see in your mobile, when you see the Wi-Fi, there is a Wisdom. The password is wisdom123. Connect. Now I have not inserted the SIM card, so it's showing it's connected, but there is no internet. When you connect to the network, you will have high speed of internet. You can use it through the Wi-Fi, even through the LAN cable. Thank you for watching.